that for my JAMB. I just want to thank God because it wasn't stressful. I needed my NIN number, my email address, a valid one, and my phone number, because it was my phone number and my NIN that they will use to create my profile code. And after that, we've created a profile code. They gave me a PIN. I filled everything I needed to fill. I put in the center I want to go and write my exam in. And
now, if you are listening to what she's saying, just be picking the points. Remember, like I've always said, that the NIN is compulsory, right? She's just sharing her story. She's one of us in this channel. She's giving us a story of how she went for her own registration. I want you to pay attention. I'll be giving you points as she goes on with her story. I think she's in Lagos. Let's hear her story. I'm sure it will inspire some of us.
After everything, we went to the center where everything will be typed in a computer. So along the line, I waited outside at first. Then later, the person I went with asked me to come in. I came in. He was typing from the other part of the computer. I was viewing from the other side to check for corrections. So after everything, all my details were correct. I just stood up. Then I went to another seat where they will snap me picture, and then I will do my thumb printing. So, and they said if your thumb print because after the first one I did my thumb printing first. Then the second place I went to go and sit on, I still did my thumb printing. Also, they will snap me a photo from one tiny camera. So I was doing thumb printing at the second place where I was snapped the photo. Well, as if my finger wasn't matching. I was doing, because the first one everything matched, no stress. The second one I was doing and doing. So the person has to redo everything again from the beginning of the filling of the form. I had to redo everything again in the computer. When everything was complete, I had to now start doing my thumb printing again, and it was now accurate. So if you go there and your thumb printing doesn't work, you do it again, because if it does not work.
I hope you are listening to her story. She's talking about what happens when you get there. In case you have not written your own exam, you have not written your own JAMB exam. You have not written your JAMB, or you are still in the process of your registration. Remember, I've always warned you in this channel to avoid late registration. We always like to rush things in this country. Avoid registering late, right? That is part of the things she talked about. You may have issues. Before you know it, registration for this year's exam will be over. If you have not registered, this is a wake-up call for you to go and register. Avoid the rush. Go and do what? Start your registration.
Okay. On the day of the exam, it will affect you. They will not allow you to write because your temperature does not match. So you have to stay there and make sure your thumbprint and everything matches. Everything is okay before you leave that place, so there will not be any problem that day. So I finished everything. I now sat down on the chair. After sitting down, they now said I should wait. So they'll give me a form. They'll give me back the form that they printed out. I said okay. I sat down again. I was given the form. I went outside. Then a man came out and said that if the place that you chose is filled up, you have to refill your form and then choose another center, because he mentioned the place and he said that place is already full.
I hear you, Ronnie. That is why I told you to go for your registration earlier, because some centers, especially those centers in the city, are already filling up, right? The places you can write the exam are already filling up. If you register late, it means they may push you somewhere in the village or in the far rural side of town for your exam. So go rush now for your registration so that you can get somewhere closer to your place of residence to write your exam, right? Okay, let's hear her.
He now mentioned other vacant places where you can register in and write the exam. So some people have to now refill their form again and then put in another center. Well, me, I'm not writing mine in the state that I'm in. I'm writing mine in another state. So they had to now refill everything again and then put in another center. And another thing, if your O-level results does not match very well with what you want to study, it will affect you. You will have to rewrite WAEC, because he mentioned two people at the O-level results went.
I want you to pay attention to what she's saying now about your O-level results, something that has to do with your WAEC, your NECO or NAPTEP, GCE, right? Because of course you certainly need it for processing your admission. He said that you have already written the exam, or maybe you are in SS3 now about to write the exam, or you are awaiting results. Just learn from her experience. Hear what she said.
Okay, like literature, it was not okay, and the person wanted to study law. Does not have literature and CRS and government. These two people. So you have to choose what aligns with your O-level. Have to align with what you want to study. You have to study hard, please, and do more researches. Do more researches on courses that are related to what you want to study, so that you don't start one hectare tester.
I hope you can hear it. Do a research before you choose a particular course. Do a research. Find out even the university you are putting, are they offering that course? Are they accredited to offer such course, right? Also find out the perfect subject combination for your subject, for the course you want to write. If you have any question concerning this, feel free to let me know. If you have any issue, any question along the line of your registration, I am here in Noble Tutorials to give you the guidance that you need. Okay, let's keep hearing her.
So please, and again, I'll say it again, you need an NIN.
NIN.
You need an NIN. You need a valid email address. So they'll be sending messages to you, because they'll be sending messages to me. And they said it's a week before the exam that they will come and do the reprinting. It's a week before the exam, before you do your reprinting. So please, everybody should have a good and valid email address, and NIN, and the phone number before you go there. And your O-level results should be okay, please. So nobody will stress anybody. We all know we'll pass, but we have to do the needful. Please and please. So we don't have.
She said we will all pass. Yes, in our channel, our goal is 300 and above in your JAMB. 300 and above in your JAMB. If you claim it, type I claim it. Beyond that, if you want me to give you free JAMB syllabus, free JAMB past question, if you want to get free JAMB syllabus and free JAMB past question, that will help you to really pass your exam. Our goal is 300 and above. You need JAMB syllabus, JAMB past question. What you need to do is come under this video, like this video. Number one, like this video. Then you can see an option to join our YouTube channel. Click on join our YouTube channel, like this video, come under this video, then share this video too, then come under this video and type I've subscribed. So join our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials, like this video, share this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once you subscribe, come under this video and type I have subscribed. Once I see you type I've subscribed, I'll chat you up and send you the materials that will help you to pass.
To receipt again next year. Thank you. Everybody should be prepared, please. God will help us. Amen.